How to adjust privacy settings on Badoo. Want to control your privacy and app experience on Badoo? Let's adjust your privacy setting with the latest option. Open the Badoo app and tap your profile icon at the bottom right. And here tap the gear icon to open settings. From the menu, tap account preference. Scroll down and you will see privacy. Tap it. Adjust your preference. Here are the main options you can customize. Enable passkey, which adds extra security to access your account. So location means to choose whether other can see your location on Badoo. So online status means decide if others see when you are online. Limit profile views means restrict how many people can view your profile. Ad tracker and preference, which control what kind of ad are shown to you. So ad means toggle whatever you want to see in app ads. And here's the pro tip. Adjust the setting to maximize privacy and control your experience on Badoo. And that's it. The Badoo privacy is now full customized. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video and thank you for watching.